It's not just another smartphone launch when the Galaxy S26 Ultra comes out. It sounds like a statement of strength, love, and the future of mobile technology. Samsung is showing the world that there are always more ways to improve things. Anthony says that this gadget is going to be massively important in the field of display technology. Holding a phone that shines brighter than anything you've ever seen is crazy. With a peak brightness of 6,000 nits, it doesn't just fight sunshine, it beats it. Every HDR scene comes to life. Better than before in terms of being bright, lively, and amazingly real. They didn't stop at light though. A better anti-reflective layer should be added to the S26 Ultra, which will get rid of glare and make the screen easier on the eyes. You have more power now that there is a new privacy display. Your content can only be seen by you, no matter where you are. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is now more than just a phone thanks to these updates. It's a monster when it comes to screen performance, changing the way we use screens and telling us that smartphones will be brighter, bolder, and more personal in the future. The Galaxy S26 Ultra from Samsung looks like it will be more than just another phone. It could really change the game. Even if the battery doesn't change a lot, it's clear that Samsung is putting more effort into the display, which is its best suit. The well-known insider Ice Universe says that the S26 Ultra won't be happy with 45-watt charging. It stops charging quickly with 60 watts. That means faster charges, and makes it clear that Samsung is not going to fall behind when it comes to charging speeds. The show is what makes it really exciting though. Ice Universe says that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will have Samsung Display's most advanced OLED screen to date. It has a huge 6.85-inch QHD Plus screen with a refresh rate of 144 Hz and a touch sampling rate of 3200 Hz, which is crazy. When you add support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+, it's like having a movie theater screen in your pocket. When it comes to magic though, Samsung's M14 releasing material and a COE design without a polarizer do the trick. In other words, a screen that is clearer, uses less power, and lasts longer. The numbers are true. This screen has a fixed brightness of 1000 nits, a full screen peak brightness of 2600 nits, and an HDR peak brightness of 6000 nits. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.